Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to SL Linguistic Academy. Learn English from short stories. मुख्तसर कहानियों से इंग्लिश बोलना सीखिए. Today's story will touch your heart and remind you that honesty always brings true success, even when no one is watching. So sit back and enjoy this inspiring tale, The Golden Seed. Once upon a time, there was a wise king who was getting old and had no children. He wanted to choose an honest person to be the next ruler of the kingdom. So one day he called all the young people of the land and gave each of them a seed. He said, "Take this seed, plant it carefully, and bring me your plant after 6 months. The one with the healthiest plant will be the next king." Among them was a boy named Amir. He was kind and honest. He planted his seed and took care of it every day, but no plant grew. He tried his best, watering, sunlight, prayers, yet the pot stayed empty. After 6 months, everyone came to the palace with tall and beautiful plants, except Amir. He came with his empty pot, tears in his eyes, but truth in his heart. The king looked at all the plants, then asked Amir, "Why is your pot empty?" Amir said, "Your Majesty, I tried everything, but my seed did not grow." The king smiled and said loudly, "This boy shall be the next king." Everyone was shocked. The king continued, "These seeds I gave you were boiled. They could never grow. All of you replaced them except the honest boy. He deserved to rule the kingdom." And so Amir became the most loved and just rule in the land. Honesty may not give quick success, but it builds a life of peace, respect, and true greatness. Always choose truth even when lies seems easier. सच्चाई फौरन कामयाबी नहीं देती, मगर ये इज्जत, सुकून और हकीकी अजमत अता करती है. हमेशा सच बोलिए, चाहे झूठ आसान लगे. Now we will discuss that how we learn English from the golden seed. हम सुनहरे बीज से इंग्लिश कैसे सीख सकते हैं. Number 1, vocabulary building. When you read or listen to this story, you learn new words used in daily life like honest, सच्चा, kingdom, बादशाहत, plant, seed, पौधा, बीज, deserve, हकदार होना, rule, हुकूमत करना. These words help you express ideas about truth, efforts, and life. You can note them down and make your own sentence and share in comments. Number 2, sentence structure. The story used simple and correct sentence pattern like he wanted to choose an honest person. He tried his best, but the pot stayed empty. These show how to form sentences with past tense and connectors, but so beautiful. Number 3, listening and pronunciation. If you listen to the story aloud or record yourself reading it, you will improve pronunciation, rhythm and fluency. अगर आप ये कहानी ऊंची आवाज़ में सुने या खुद पढ़कर रिकॉर्ड करें तो आपका तलफ़्फ़ुज़ और रवानी बेहतर होगी. Number 4, grammar in action. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, you see them working naturally in a story. For example, past tense, he gave, he said, he smiled. Adjectives, honest boy, wise king. ग्रामर के असूल याद करने के बजाय कहानी में आप इन्हें अमल में देखते हैं. Number 5, moral understanding in English. You understand value of honesty, truth and courage and learn to express them in English. आप सच्चाई, दयानतदारी और हिम्मत जैसे इखलाकी सबक अंग्रेजी में बयान करना सीखते हैं। नंबर 6, स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस। रीटेल द स्टोरी इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, दिस बिल्ड्स कॉन्फिडेंस। कहानी को अपने अल्फाज में दोबारा सुनाएं, इससे बोलने का एहतमाद बढ़ता है। कहानियाँ अंग्रेजी सिखाने का कुदरती जरिया है। इनमें अल्फाज सिर्फ याद नहीं किए जाते, महसूस किए जाते हैं। इफ़ यू लाइक दिस स्टोरी and learn something valuable, don't forget to like, share and comments below. Your support gives us energy to create more inspiring content for you. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.